Hello, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and this is the last video that I'm going to put on my channel. It's just a preview of some spring crafts that I've done, but I appreciate those of you that have subscribed. I had put a comment asking if you all would be interested in me doing some cooking videos, and grocery hauls, and I didn't get any response. I don't have enough subscribers to have a community tab, so I had to do it that way. But just the analytics show me no one's watching my videos, and so I appreciate those of you that have, but it's a lot of work to do, and I'm doing it for the purpose of showing others how to do it. So it's just not worth it to continue doing it and putting the work in. And so anyway, thank you all, and I've enjoyed interacting with a few of you that have commented on my videos, and I hope you all will enjoy spring whenever that comes. It's like 40 something here right now. It's very cold. We just go back and forth. So I hope you all stay healthy, and maybe I'll see you in some other people's video comments and stuff like that. And again, I do appreciate those of you that did subscribe, but this just isn't working out. So you all have a good day, and I'll see ya.